Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the first trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks in news. The first one is IndusInd Bank because company presented the quarter one update where the net advances are down by 3.9% at 3.34 lakh crore on Y&Y basis. Along with that, company deposit is down by 0.3% on yearly basis at 3.97 lakh crore and CASA ratio is reported at 31.49% versus 36.67% on a yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Godrej Consumer because company's standalone revenue is at high single-digit growth. Home care shows the double-digit growth. Personal care show the low single-digit growth, and the ex-soap also show the strong double-digit growth. EBITDA margins are below normative to improve. Palm oil benefit to reflect in second half of fiscal year 26, and company's Indonesia business is flattish UVG because of the pricing pressure. The next stock which you need to look at is Dabur because company's FMC has seen the FMCG demand recovery. Better volume growth. Home and personal care show the strong growth. Dabur Red, Odo Oil, Odomos and the Gulabri also boosted the growth of the company. Healthcare segment shows the strong double-digit growth. E-commerce and the modern trade also show the strong growth, and the beverages shown the weak growth in this quarter. The next stock which you need to look at is Jubilant Foodwork where the company's consolidated revenue is up by 17% on a yearly basis, reported at 22,614 million. Standalone revenue is up by 18.2% on a yearly basis at 17,016 million, and company's LFL growth shown a good recovery. Domino's India recovery is up by 11.6% and Turkey is slightly down by 2.2%. Along with that, company stores are reported at 3,389, which is up by 73 on quarter-on-quarter basis, and India's store are stood at 2,240, which is up by 61 stores on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is IDBI Bank where the company's total business is reported at 5.08 lakh crore, which is up by 8% on yearly basis. Deposit are reported at 2.97 lakh crore, which is up by 7% on yearly basis, but CASA ratio is down by on yearly basis, and company's net advances are reported at 2.12 lakh crore, which is up by 9% on yearly basis. The next stock is Nykaa where the company's net revenue growth is in low mid-20s on yearly basis. GMV growth is above mid-20s. Beauty segment show the strong GMV and the net revenue growth despite Q1 disruption. Along with that, fashion GMV is up by is reported at mid-20s. Net revenue is also in the mid-teens. The growth drivers are e-commerce, retail stores, eB2B and House of Nykaa brand. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is Bank of India where the company's global business is up by 10.3% on a yearly basis at 15.05 lakh crore. Global deposit is reported at 8.34 lakh crore. Global advances are reported at 6.72 lakh crore, which is up by 12%. Domestic deposit are also up by 10% at 7.10 lakh crore, and domestic advances are reported at 6.65 lakh crore, which is up by 11.2%. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is Tata Steel because company received 1,902.7 crore demand notice from mineral dispatch issue, and company is going to challenge legally call demand unjustified. The next stock is BEML because company secured $6.23 million export order from CIS and Uzbekistan for heavy equipments. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.